I've been wanting to get on the podium though, like in one of the tests, since I've been doing any full gases. So come out and I got 5th in the first time and then 1st, and I didn't believe it first, but I was excited, yeah. Yeah, it was a really solid weekend. I'm happy with it. Can't really complain, and happy to go in Spain.
Yeah, it's awesome. I made it to the club team with all the my other Jester teammates, so I'm pumped on that. So all in all, had a lot of fun.
time as I could. But today was good. It was a lot smoother, no crashes, and definitely picked up the pace. I'm excited to be going to Spain, traveling the world.
It was an awesome weekend. I knew they could do it. These guys, they're true warriors. You know, with all that experience running hair scrambles in the rocks, that enduro test, they just ate it up. You saw all their results. Yeah, I'm really happy though. Going to Spain. That's what it's all about.